this guy started his brand in drop shipping, and in his second month after the launch, he made a good $200K with a 45% margin. This is crazy! Do you want to know how we did it? What are the magical strategies he used? Then follows this video, because I'll reveal how we did it and how you can do it too. Hello everyone! Let's start right away. Like many others, Ryan started testing dropshipping in 2017 while maintaining his 9-to-5 job. But the turning point was in 2022 when he saw some very special footwear on Alibaba. At that point, he felt that the product was cool and had the feeling that he could make it. Was it a useful product? No, but it was a product that could really appeal to the public. At this point, he conducted his analysis and checked if anyone was selling this product. It wasn't an existing trend, but Ryan knew deep down that it was a potential goldmine. A new unique product that essentially had no competition yet. This characteristic could truly allow you to dominate the market. He ordered a sample to assess the quality, and once this initial phase was completed, he decided to take the leap. He built a store, ordered different models in different colors, and then on April 22, 2022, he launched his new brand with TikTok ads. What is this mysterious product? Shark-shaped slippers. I'm actually telling the story of the multi-million-dollar brand Cloud Shark. And if you browse TikTok as you should, because TikTok is the right platform for drop shipping, you are surely seeing these very strange slippers too. This is one of the videos they launched in its ads.
OMG, these are the coolest slippers I've ever seen. Cloud sharks. I need every color.
As you can see, nothing special. But in this case, given the absolute novelty, the audience really appreciated this product. In fact, with the first month of TikTok ads, it immediately made $100,000. Just think, 100K in only 30 days. Up until then, Ryan had tried dropshipping but had never been successful. But this time, he felt it was the right time, and he was right. There can be setbacks. What we saw here is only his success, but in reality there have been serious problems due to this video here. Because here you can see the Nike logo. And for this reason, just when things were going great and he had reached 100K on TikTok, his ad account was suspended by TikTok for copyright infringement. So be very careful not to show certain logos, especially in ads. What is allowed in content is not allowed in ads. This could have really ruined the opportunity of a lifetime, but Ryan didn't give up. He didn't know Facebook ads well enough to risk it, so he decided to try to continue his campaign organically. Let's watch a couple of videos just to give you an idea.
Top TikTok shopping finds. Cloud sharks. Wow, they look comfy AF. Customer, are cloud sharks waterproof? Us, yes.
As you can see, these are simple videos made by him and his family, and maybe also his friends. Genuine and authentic videos showing how comfortable and easy to clean these slippers are. as well as being cool, because the basic concept is to be cool without sacrificing comfort and practicality. This was the first time that Ryan decided to brand his dropshipping product and promote it with a concept. And it paid off. He made a whopping $200,000 in sales organically in May, his second month. This is when Ryan realized he needed to move quickly, and you need to move quickly too. So like this video and subscribe to the channel if you haven't already done so. Let's talk about Cloud Sharks again. In the second month, instead of sales declining organically, they actually doubled. And for the first time, he didn't have other expenses and had a profit margin of 40% to 45%. He knew that many people had seen the product and would soon start copying. Unfortunately, this is inevitable. Those who do dropshipping as a side hustle chase trends. So, if your product has become a trend, expect at least a few clones. This is the phase where you need to be very fast. And it's also the phase where many fail. How many times I've heard of people making $200,000 with a winning product and then nothing. It ends here. There are clones, sales decline, and when it's no longer selling, we close everything and move on to the next. And out of these $200,000, while we are at it, I spent $30,000 to buy the luxury watch I always wanted. Why not? I deserve it. Yeah, and this is the mistake that keeps you poor. But let's go in order. At this point, Ryan quit his office job and dedicated himself wholeheartedly to branding his product at the speed of light. He then used an agency in China to handle the packaging and the logo to the slippers, and include a thank you note, all within just 2 weeks. And look at how it advertised it. Very entertaining. He advertised that it has a unique packaging, so that the fake can be distinguished from the real. That's the power of branding. Keep that in mind. During this phase, he also focused on expanding the brand, aiming to be present on all social media platforms, including Facebook, Pinterest, aside from TikTok. He also placed great importance on email marketing and customer service, beginning to work on customer retention to give more value to acquired customers, because he wanted people to perceive and feel a real brand, not just a dropshipping store. Then he started expanding the product with new lines.
Welcome to Vegas, baby. I want you to come and pay me. Give me the money, give me diamonds, give me rubies, baby. Take me on that trip. I wanna go shopping. Get on your knees and beg me, please, to let you in me. I wanna ride a rally. I wanna ride a rally.
The business grew exponentially in November. At this point, he abandoned the dropshipping model and purchased batches of merchandise directly imported into a warehouse in the United States. And this allowed them to have a delivery within 3 days, and also achieve a new sales record, $400,000. And it didn't stop there, because the success was so great that they sold out. At that point, they sold all the stocks they had in the warehouse and had to close the store because they had to wait for the new stock to arrive. This is insane! They sold out everything. Can you imagine? Ryan has achieved a success far beyond his expectations, and the success came when he decided to move away from dropshipping as a side hustle and instead create a real brand, creating a trend around his product. But it doesn't end here. In 2023, he further expanding the brand with B2B sales, selling wholesale, and this is where the real millions come in. If you can have your brand dominate a niche, like he did, then you can sell large quantities to retailers who have stores on marketplaces like Amazon. And that's exactly what happened with Cloud Sharks. By the end of 2023, Cloud Sharks had reached $980 million, almost $1 billion in sales. And surely by now in 2024 it has reached and surpassed the $1 billion mark. I've checked, but the 2024 data hasn't been released yet. Much of his success also depended on cash flow, because after failing several times, Ryan decided to adopt a winning mindset and didn't take a single penny from his business for about 5-7 months. He invested all the money that came in into inventory, marketing, and for paying various collaborators. When he started paying himself about a year and a half ago, he didn't take more than $26,000 a month. He continued to live a comfortable but not luxurious lifestyles. And that's the right mindset. Because even if you are making a lot of money, you are still in the startup phase. For the first 3 to 4 years, you still need to solidify the foundation. There are businesses that have made several million and then failed to reach the 3rd year. And I'll talk about this in details in the next videos. So if you want to know about businesses that miserably collapsed after initial success, keep following this channel. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe to the channel. See you!